तो चलिए देखते हैं हम भी एडमिशन्स कैसे हो रहे हैं इसमें। एप्लीकेशन ओपन करते हैं। ओके, तो चलिए एडमिशन स्टार्ट कैसे हो रहे हैं देख लेते हैं। उसमें प्रोसीजर क्या रहेगा। ये पहले डाटा अपलोड करेगा, थोड़ा सा फॉर्म अपलोड होगा, सो इसको दिखाएगा लोडिंग डाटा। सो ओके, I will do here based on my name and details. First, register. So agree it and accept all the conditions. Okay. Now first name, I am filling my name and it should be in English, not in Hindi or any Kannada language or अपनी और mother tongue. My name is just Nishan, not any other initial. So I can leave these both. If I have any initial, suppose L, then and double initial M, so we can fill separately, otherwise in one last column also, here only. So next is different able, Divyang. No, I am not a Divyang. Date of birth should be in 2013 to 15, so it's already before, so it will not show to you after 1st April 2015. So I am choosing any date of birth. It means 11th March 2015. It will be considered. And I am not belongs to child of working of KVS employee or retired person, or my grandparents also not worked in KVS, so not applicable. Email ID, valid email ID we should save here. Valid email ID, they will send us messages and they can contact to us. And mobile number, valid. And after then, here we can check it what it is. Now capital small same font, small w, u, small j, 7, I and 5. Register. Okay, now OTP will come. Same, wait. OTP here 291888. 291888, and same captcha code we will fill here. Small r, capital H, small n, capital T, F, A, without space we should fill here, and done. And now verify. Click just verify. Okay, you have successfully registered. So you can take screenshot or these details you can save for printout. So you know your date of birth and these things. 11/3/2015 my date of birth and my registration number is, login code is 200 100 73737. And now I can go to login. Same mobile number what I filled here. Done. Next, date of birth it will be asked again, and 11th March 2015. Okay, and same captcha code again, same capital case capital, small case small, and login. Okay, wait, captcha code. Again If you are not sure, you can fill same, so you can change it from refresh button. Small g, b, capital T, capital X, small r, capital R, and login. Now login. So 5 here, it is the first basic option. Okay, now we will check gender. Choose your gender, male, female. Now caste category, you belongs to general. OBC creamy layer means more than 8 lakh income per year. Non creamy layer means less than 8 lakhs. And SC ST, okay, I am filling here general. If you are choosing here OBC creamy, non creamy layer, SC ST, so you will submit a caste certificate. Otherwise, if you are choosing general, no need of any document. And here family income, do not belong to low income group, it's related to EWS. So if I am choosing BPL or EWS form, so I will submit here documents. So here no. And blood group, so my blood group is O positive. Next, now it's asking first mother detail. Choose Mrs. Okay, choose nationality. We all are Indians, and 3 out of country are also, that's why they ask other option. Okay, they will say, they are asking, will you want to same a residential address for mother and father? Okay, yes. If your parents are not living together, so you can fill no, so you will fill here separately both of details. Country, India. State, I can fill here Karnataka because I am living in Karnataka. My parents are working or not working, I can show. City, CKM. You should fill here full details. Okay, I will not show you shortcuts. And residential, small to big level. It means first house number, after then street, and after then locality, and after then this tehsil or district, you can fill taluka, tehsil, district. Okay, and after then state already you included, pin code of your district or your area, and telephone number of your residence, same you can give you as your which you have. Personal mobile number you can fill same, but these are not compulsory. Okay, so same occupation, no working, so we can live here. If your parents are working in anywhere, so you can fill here their work. But if your parents are working in a farm, agriculture, so you can fill here no organization, you can leave, and done. Father's detail same, you okay, your father's full name, these you need to fill. Okay, my father late. Okay, choose nationality Indian. Others details already saved same as your mother's detail. Done. And occupation, what? No occupation, so you can save and next. First it will be save, and after then go to next. Without saving, don't go at next. So next, first choice, it means choose state. In which state you want to take admission? Karnataka. And now school, here KV Chikmagaluru. Okay, it will show you details. It is a type of school, is a civil school in Bangalore region. State government is it's a sponsoring agency, and it's a urban. It means if you are looking here urban, so you can stay in 5 kilometer radius of this school. more than 5 kilometers addresses not included in RT. So do you need help selecting? So okay, no. And now you can fill here transferable. So already you filled agriculture. So agriculture here in 5th category. I made one video last before 1 month. So you can watch that video and you will clear which work included in which category, service category. So choose here. Select parents or grandparents applicable only for service 1. So not applicable. If you are again save and then go to next button. Now next. You are allowed to fill maximum of 3 schools. Okay, I want to check another schools. Okay, it will be show here you need to fill date of birth certificate, DOB. So I can paste here any documents now. But you should fill here your accurate date of birth certificate, otherwise school will inform you. Okay, I am filling it. And document should be not more than 256 KB and passport size of photo of children. And after then it will ask you documents for KV Chikmagalur, what you need, date of birth certificate, passport size and proof of residence, because I not need to take another documents because I filled general category. For no general category no documents needed, and 5th category my parents are not working anywhere, so 5th category if your parents are working in any where in state government, central government, so they need service certificate. If you are belongs to single girl child, so you should have a separate document. So next, and please upload all the required documents. Okay, upload also. After uploading it will be go next. So it's uploaded. Now click at it. Okay, now both are uploaded. So now I can go ahead next. So it's a declaration by parents. It means you need to read all these and you are agree with that. So save. Before save, don't go ahead, save. Okay, server data saved. So if you want to check your form, so click at preview. Okay, it is my login ID code, class 1 session 2020, my name, date of birth. I'm not under differentiably abled, male, and other caste and category. These are my details. Okay, and back and submit application. Yes, it will be show. Need to here submit again OTP. After then it will be submitted. It means form is asking to you want to submit it now only or after then you will submit. So again 482037 482037 and done. Submit it. Verify OTP. Your OTP submitted. You can view submit application. It's my application. So it's just like that you can fill all the details. Thank you.